Hello internet people, today I'm gonna talk about this keyboard and how it originated and how I built it till now. My first custom keyboard build, I guess. This keyboard started off as a Fantech Maxfit61. The reason I got this was it was small, because before this I had a full size. I didn't really like it. It has hot swappable switches, USB-C. RGB wasn't really my focus on this keyboard. Pre-lube stabs, so I don't need to buy lube, even though I need to kind of mod the stabilizers again so it didn't rattle. And oh yeah, it was pretty cheap. So let's get into the how I built my keyboard. First mod is tape mod. Yes, first mod I did was tape mod, and I removed the standoffs so I could put a rag on it to create extra talk, and it kind of did. Made it a little bit more deeper of a sound. So I drilled that hole so I can stack a lot more foam in it. It came also with like a stock foam inside, which I kind of used a little bit, but now I just removed it because I feel like that was pretty useless. Next mod I did was actually fixing the lube, because the stock lube job is very bad. They kind of just lubed the outside of the stabilizer, so I kind of just jammed it in, and it kind of worked. No rattles, mostly, I think anyways. The first purchase I bought for this keyboard was switches. The switches I went with was the JWick Blacks. I have two different keys for ZX for OSU. I'll tell you about it later. But here are the JWick Blacks. Anyways, JWick Blacks. Main reason is that this came pre-lubed and it was pretty cheap. I could have gone with the yellows, but they were like around 10 grams heavier, maybe a little bit less. And I was complaining about the stock Otemu reds being kind of heavy. So I was like, yeah, no, I should get like a lighter switch. And the blacks are pretty great. Installed the blacks. I think I made a sound test just with the blacks with stock keycaps. So here we go. The one thing I forgot about whilst recording the video is that I have two different switches for these, mainly for OSU. Well, at first I broke two of these switches, the blacks that I had, but then I fixed it. But I fixed it after I ordered these Acco vintage whites, and so I just decided to use them. Give you a sound test on my phone with no mics on how it sounds. So it's definitely more high pitch, more clack, it's louder. And I also have it on my keychain, which it's satisfying, but it's so loud. It's less smooth. I don't think it's factory lubed or anything, but yeah, I think I missed that. So continue on with the video. Next mod is the plate. I changed the plate to like a, they say POM, but it just looks like, I don't even know, man. This is clear plastic, mica material. Well, mica, I guess. I don't know. It's like a thin piece of transparent plastic or something. I don't know. I have that for the plate. What else did I get? Oh yeah, the keycaps I got. As you can already tell, Acco SAL profile. Oh my god, it's so huge. I was thinking to go with ASA, but they're kind of hard to find and kind of a little bit expensive, the ones I found. And these ones I found for so cheap, for like $20. I don't know if it's fake, I don't know if it's like second hand. It has damaged packaging, so I'm guessing it's second hand. And it came with like a lot of stuff. It could be a fake, but it's real enough for me. High quality enough for me. For my first build, not complaining. And in the sound test you can hear it's pretty nice. The last thing I did today actually was band-aid modding basically the whole keyboard and stabilizer set. So okay, especially in the space bar, I heard it was too high pitched and too much rattle. So what I did was I put band-aid like beneath the switch, here around the stab where I think it'll hit the switch, and then underneath the stabilizer as well, and yeah, also this bits, and it kind of removed all of the rattling, which I thought it was from the stabilizer, but it was just hitting the plate. So hell yeah, no rattle. And that pretty much sums it up for the whole build. For the price, I think it was around $60 to $70, or around this in Indonesian money, because I live in Indonesia. And I think this is a pretty great first build. And I'll do the sound test now. Okay, I needed to stop doing that. So yeah, subscribe. Also, just want to say a quick thanks for 200 subs, and for my 69th video. I reached 200 subs before making my 69th video. I know it was just an ASMR video, but yeah, 69 videos and then 200 subs. It's just numbers, but makes me push videos out more, I guess, or motivates me to make. Anyways, bye.